Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. I bought this can crusher. I'm going to put it together and see how it works. Let's see what's in the box. There it is. I got the one with the bigger cylinder. Now I've got my can crusher mounted to a table with a bucket underneath of it. So now I'm just going to sit here and crush my cans. I got 100 pounds of air running to the cylinder. You don't want to get your hand caught inside there because it will be unforgiving. Now if I hold down on this button, it will continue to crush until it stops. And it does a pretty good job of smashing it. I did have one that was a manual crusher, but this one works a little bit better. And you can do it fairly quick. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.